Greetings, 11th grade parents. My name is Lori Welkenbach, and I am your child's current English 3 honors teacher, and we have a lot to get through this year. The main goal of 11th grade is to get the student ready for 12th grade, and 12th grade is already applying to colleges or applying to, greetings. I am Lori Welkenbach, and I currently teach 11th grade honors. Just a quick few things. The main goal, I think, of 11th grade English is to prepare the students for the exam standardized testing, like SAT or PSAT or ACT, depending on which college they're going to, and to improve their skills in writing, because they're going to be, for whatever job they apply for, there's going to be some writing involved. As far as getting ready for college, not only do I do a lot of grammar work, which is an integral part of any kind of standardized test for college, but I'm also going to go to Common Applications and pull out some of their topics and relate them to everything that we read in class. So by the end of the year, your child will have a few essays from which to choose that are in draft form. One will be to completion and finalized. But he or she will have several drafts, and that will allow them to be able to upload those onto Common Application, which is where most universities and colleges ask their students to go to apply to whatever university they are. So it's kind of giving them that jump start into the application process. Whether it be a community college or a 4-year university, it's just getting your child ready for whatever is the next step. Now, not everyone goes to college, and I truly appreciate that. But still, writing skills are necessary no matter what your job. You're going to have to interact, whether it's emails or quick text messages. Writing is integral. My own husband is an architect, and he does a great deal of writing. And in fact, they have a retired English professor come once or twice a year and speak with them about how to improve their writing styles. So it is something that I think, no matter what job you are in, writing is really what sets apart people, who are successful and those who are not as successful. If you can write clearly and cogently, that's the goal. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. We're going to be reading a number of novels this year. We're starting out with The Great Gatsby. We're going to be reading the play The Crucible. And we are also going to end the semester with my favorite novel, Of Mice and Men by John Steinbeck. I look forward to working with your children. They are wonderful so far. It has been a while since I've taught juniors, and I forgot how pleasant they are to deal with. So thank you very much for all your support, and I hope you have a great evening. Please do not hesitate to email if you have questions or concerns. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.